Hey everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com in Addison, Illinois. Something we don't see too many of, a 1970 Mercury Cougar. Luxury and sport all in one. This thing is real beautiful, holding all its original panels. It's got like those clamshell headlights in front. It's really cool, I like it, very luxury. It's got a 351 Cleveland in there. It's been completely redone. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, all your belts and hoses in good shape. Your wires are fresh. Suspension's been gone through. Thing runs out really good. Soundproofing's still in there. It's got a beautiful look to it. You don't see many, that's why I like it so much, with the gold stripe going down it. Original color. It's been redone over the years. I mean, it is a driver. I'm not calling it a show car, but it's a good looking driver. Front wheel disc brakes with American racing wheels. It gaps out great. Sport mirror, all your glass and chrome is good. Your wipers are working. Antenna's intact. Couple little spots. That's just dirt. Okay. With a great looking green with the white interior. Really gives it a great contrast. Got GT radials all the way around it. See how nice that shines? Really looks good under the lights. Cougar with the rear tail fin. Dual exhaust, it sounds great. All your lights and chrome and back are good. Little original here, you can see. It's still good, you get it re-chromed. Keep the original one real clean underneath, folks. Yeah, we get very few, there's very few Mercurys. It's a cult all its own. Paint's in real good shape and deep. All your glass from the back and to the sides and on the other side are good, and the chrome around it is. The paint's holding up good. Gaps out great. It really does. It's nice because you pull up and you're different, you know? You don't see many of these. It's got a great stance on it. Look at that face. A Cougar. I know plenty of those. White buckets, very clean inside. See, they kept it the same color. Pretty much original interior. See with your sticker still in the door. And look how clean it is. Nice. Wood steering wheel. Back seat. Seat belts intact. Rear deck good. Nice tight headliner. Dash is in good shape. Horn's working. Fire's right up. Look how nice it is. Oh, gauge package here. Radio's not working. See it. I think it's 56,469 miles on the odometer. It's got a great sound to it. They really built it nice because it drives out great with good performance. Real good sound. Tight, brakes very well. All your carpet's good all the way throughout. How's that for a Cougar? Located in our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, 15 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We've got over 250 cars in the warehouse. ready for the spring to open up, and it opened up early this year, everybody. I mean, we are loaded with a great selection of cars. We offer special financing. If you have good credit, up to 180 months with 10% down. We've got shipping nationwide, bonded and insured, opened and enclosed to your front door. Warehouse hours are open from 9 a.m. Monday through Friday to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2. All our pricing, description, video, and pictures are on our website. If you have any questions on any of that information, you need some help, feel free to give me a call. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. Please like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got more videos coming daily. Thanks for spending some time with me on this one. We don't see many of these 1970 Cougars, 351 automatic transmission, pretty much loaded. So let's get this home in someone's garage. Hope you're all having a great day. Say hello to the Cougar.